Friends, today's recipe broad bean seeds curry. How to prepare we can see here. Take a kadai, add 2 teaspoon oil, allow it to heat. Now you can add mustard half teaspoon. Let it fry. Add jeera half teaspoon. Now you can add curry leaves, green chilies 3 to 4, ginger garlic paste. So this is a roughly chopped green. So allow it to fry all. Add 1 onion finely chopped. I have taken 500 gram broad beans. In that 250 gram came as a seeds. So this sabji will be very tasty. Definitely try it. Add pinch of turmeric and little bit red chili powder and as per the taste salt and pinch of hing. You can red chili powder you can skip or you can add because already we kept green chilies. So mix it well all. You can see a tomato you can add now. Finely chopped 1 tomato. Mix it well. So prepare it properly. Now I have taken broad bean seeds. This is I have cooked separately 5 to 7 minutes. And now I'm use water how much you want for cooking. Don't waste the water, otherwise good minerals, vitamins will destroy. So add it now and add little bit water for again mixing properly everything. Close the lid and allow it to cook 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see here our broad bean seeds curry is ready. You can combine this with side dish with rice or chapati or roti, jawar roti. So this will be very tasty. Add finely chopped coriander and mix it. So our simple broad bean seeds curry is ready. So you can serve it with hot. If you like my videos, hit the like button, share and subscribe and message me in the comment box how is the recipe. And thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.